Okay, we've got the seat undone, got the alarm control unit ready to come out. Oh, so I can clean up the connectors. You can see there's the two connectors. There's my temporary frig I put in to get the just have a look at it here. Let's see, I've got that connection there is going into the bonnet release well, sorry, that's coming out of the alarm control unit, the bonnet release solenoid signal. About 12 volt switch signal coming in on this green wire, and I've got a wire going out down there, down that cable to the actual solenoid, and I'm going to be playing around with that. Anyway, I've got this green wire here going up to the toggle switch, bringing the live down here to try and sort the alarm out. Anyway, tip this over a bit. I need to get these plugs out and clean up the sockets. Okay, there's good earth down there. Check that. Okay. So I've got the seat connector out, which is there. I've got these two plugs and sockets undone down here, so I can get the alarm control unit out now. Out it comes. Have a look at the state of the plugs and sockets. Okay, I have cleaned these up once. It's worth just doing it again. Yeah, so it is worth just doing it again once more. Okay. Right, that's the way it came out, like that. Just like that. Don't forget the little signal as well, the little signal cable.